It's not long since Google launched the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL, but 3 new Pixel 3 phones are anticipated for 2018. The Pixel phones are unlikely to be unveiled before early October 2018, with an on-sale date later in October probable. For the past 2 years Google has unveiled the new phones on 4th of October, so October 4th 2018 is as good a guess as any. They will come with the latest version of Android 9.0p, but as we saw in 2017 they may not be the first devices to ship with that OS. It will be a pure version of the software, running exactly as Google intends, with regular security updates and no bloatware. Google knows its users don't want cut-down specs just because a phone has a smaller screen, so we fully expect to see the Snapdragon 845 processor running the show on all Pixel 3 models. This is a 7nm chip that is faster and 30% more efficient than any before it, thanks to an octa-core Cryo 385 CPU with 4 2.8 GHz high-power cores and 4 1.8 GHz low-power cores. Qualcomm's new superfast X20 LTE modem is built in, offering Cat 18 speeds of more than 1 Gbps, as well as an enhanced Spectre 280 image signal processor. Qualcomm has bumped up video recording potential to Ultra HD, and added in various AI improvements. A leaked image from Chinese social network Weibo corroborates this, listing 20 phones which will use the 845 chip in 2018. Among them, predictably, is the Pixel 3. 2018 might be the year Google bumps up the RAM to 6GB, while storage is likely to remain at 64GB and 128GB. We'd like to see Google retain the waterproofing, perhaps upgraded from IP67 to IP68, an aluminium chassis, and it's probable that the 18:9 display will also remain, but this time around the new Pixel might also feature an under-glass fingerprint sensor. We'd like to see the 18:9 panel in the cheaper model, too, and for Google to add wireless charging. In 2017 both models came in just black, while the Pixel 2 XL was also available in black and white, and the Pixel 2 in clearly white and kinda blue. We don't expect much deviation here. It's likely HTC will again be the brains behind the Pixel 3, now that Google has bought out its mobile business. So active edge and front-facing stereo speakers would not come as a shock.